Hi guys, it's me Dawn. So I am in the bathroom today. I'm getting ready to take a shower. Well, I'm going to take a hot bath and then I'm going to get in the shower to rinse off. And my hair was a lot of stress, and I'm going to say dye. And just a few years ago I had cervical cancer. Hold on, I'm sorry about that. But I had got this really neat hair mask from a seller off of Amazon who really wanted me to try this out, and I'm very excited to do this. I have been looking for something for so long that would help my hair, because it is just a complete mess. And it is the Brazilian Hair Botox, and I am super duper excited to share this out with you guys. It comes in a box like this, and I will be back so that I can show it to you guys out of the box. Okay guys, so when I took the lid off, it actually looks like this. And it smells like bubblegum. That is such a fruity, playful scent. It's marine collagen, glutamic acid, and pernisol. Thermo multi-control mask, anti-frizz, hydration, and reconstruction. Okay guys, so here I am, fresh out of the shower. I'm getting ready to do my hair mask. And also I wanted to show you guys these awesome pajamas that I got from Route 21 on Black Friday. They were just amazing, and these were a size large. I'm 5'6.5" and about 148 pounds. So if you like something big and comfy, I mean, go for this. If you're a little bit taller, I would expect to maybe go up a little bit, because if you raise your arms, it's going to get shot in the crotch. But just check out how cute these are. By far, 100% my favorite. Okay guys, so this stuff says to blow dry your hair and then separate it into 6 sections. So I'm going to be doing that, and then I will be back to show you what this actually looks like. I was kind of let it dry on my own so I don't have frizz, but I guess to see the beauty of this and exactly how it works, you got to kind of follow directions. So okay, guys, so it says to use a round brush to blow dry your hair, and I got this one for free. So I'm going to check this out because it also came from Amazon. If I can still find it, I will drop the link below to let you guys in on it. Show you guys, this is a little bag that I had got also from Amazon. I'm going to be using it. It is a little blow dryer. It is so that I can take it with me, and I'm going to be using it in this video, and I will also link it below if you are interested. Alright, dudes. And it looks like this. It's a really pretty color. I love it. And it also comes with a couple of ends, although I don't have them in here. I could show those to you later. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush my hair out so that I can get it in even sections. As you guys can see how thin my hair really is. It's so sad. If you guys hear any noise, it's my puppy whining in the background. She can't get in the bathroom with me. Yeah, that's what she wants. So I'm going to get this done and get this separated, and I will go. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you the inside of this, how it is the blue light inside. And this is one of the end pieces that it comes with. I thought I had lost, but it's right here. So I will probably fast forward through this. Okay guys, so you can see now that my hair is 100% blow dried. Okay, it says to separate your hair in like 6 different spot, you know, like 6 different places on your head, but my hair is so thin, I think I could do it in about 4. So I'm going to do that, and I will be right back as soon as I figure out how I'm going to do this. Okay guys, so I have it all sectioned off in little pieces, and I left this out because my hair is virtually really thin. I didn't need 6, but I'm going to go ahead and do what it says. And it says next, section the hair into 6 parts and apply the product in all hair. And it says to use a brush on and a comb to comb it through. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay guys, so I cannot find my actual comb. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so here I'm back. And I'm just going to dip this in. And I'm going to hang it on here. It does not say to use gloves or anything, so I'm guessing it's not going to hurt. I mean, so brush, just all the way through to the tips, because that's where a lot of my problem area is. Yeah, I'm going to brush this through, or brush it on, and I'm going to do just like it says, and comb it through my hair. And guys, once you do this, you have to leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, so I'm not going to bore you with that, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the rest of this on my hair, and then I will be back as soon as I am done. Okay guys, so here it is, the finished product, and it has been on about 5 minutes. I know it looks a little bit messy, but my hands were a little bit slippery when I was trying to put the clips back in, so I made sure it was well saturated and combed through to my root, and my head smells like bubble gum. Makes me want to eat this thing. So keep an eye and watch. Stay tuned, and I will be back to show you what it looks like within 20 to 30 minutes from putting it on my head. Okay guys, so I'm letting it sit on my head. I wanted to take a minute to show you the Cremax Oral Irrigator to clean your teeth. And I got this from Amazon, and I'm going to be trying it out and showing you how it works and doing a box opening so that I can show you guys how it works and tell you the final results. Hey guys, while I am sitting here letting this thing go, I've just noticed I've been tearing everything apart, and what I want to do is rearrange my bathroom. It is a complete and total mess. My other bathroom, I had to do some maintenance on it, so the kids had to use this bathroom, and it is destroyed. Hi guys, so it has been 25 minutes approximately, and I'm going to rinse this out and show you what it looks like. I don't know if I'll show you after it's rinsed out, or if I will show you after I get it straight. Okay, now I have this all rinsed out. One thing I do want to say is, guys, this is in a well-ventilated area. I don't know if it's just me because I have sensitive eyes, but I did notice some burning of my eyes. I read, although it doesn't have like a strong scent, the scent smells really well like bubble gums, it still has one of those that burn your eyes. I'm not sure what part of it does that, but I mean, other than that, my hair is feeling really silky. Silky. And I'm excited. Guys, I wouldn't recommend doing your hair like this with a towel, but, you know, who knows. But now it says what it says to do is brush it, section it out, and then blow dry in thin strips. But and straighten it, but I'm just going to brush it out and maybe blow dry it and flat iron it, and I will be back with the finished results. Yes, and another thing I left out is it says that when you rinse your hair, to actually only rinse out about 80%, not all. So that's what I did, and my hair feels so good, better than it has with all these $5 shampoos and conditioners I had been buying to try to get my hair back to normal and get it healthy. So far is awesome. As you guys can see, I'm doing exactly what the instructions tells me to do. So you guys can see, you know, exactly how it works. And I will link it down below if it's something that you guys would like to try. Okay guys, so I'm about halfway through the blow drying, and I'm loving this stuff. Loving it. My hair feels like a new head of hair. It actually kind of feels thicker, and I'm loving it. I'll be back. I do need to get a trim. There's nothing really going to help these split ends, but at least this is making it look somewhat presentable, right? A little tip of advice, no matter how thick or thin your hair is, don't ever get them into the back of the fan. I just pulled out like that much that got caught into the back of the blow dryer. So yeah, don't ever do that. So now I am going to be straightening my hair for you guys, so that you can actually see what it looks like when it's at full potential, and the product is ready to go. Okay, so this, I've had this thing for about, I'd say 4 years now, and it has been one of my all-time favorite. I don't typically use flat irons or any kind. I really usually don't, unless I'm in a hurry, use any type of heated products on my hair because I'm trying to get it to grow. But check this out, how pretty. Oh my God, this is just amazing. This stuff is amazing, guys. Oh my God. My hair has honestly not had this much shine in years. And no joke, years. I'm loving it. Loving, loving it. So guys, I would give this product a 10 out of 10. I'm going to link it below because I want you guys to try it and feel awesome just like I do. Peace out, and I love you guys, and I shall return. Okay guys, here we go. Finished product, and look at that silky texture. I'm in love with this, guys. This stuff is 100% legit, works well, works wonders, and I will continue to buy this. And I hope you guys can get this and love it as much as I do. If you're like me, you're one of these people that thought there's nothing to be done with your hair, you wash it, put it back in a bun, there it goes. But this guy has changed my life and my outlook on my hair. And I'm glad I got to share it with you guys. Peace out, and I love you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Show some love. Peace out, and I love you guys, and you have a wonderful, awesome day.